saying you doing me, but you still creeping back to me. Acting like it's up with me, Soon as I leave, you stuck on me, stuck on me, yeah. You know how this go when emotions involved. You say that you leaving and call when it's dark. I can hear in your voice you ain't playing it smart, tryna act like a stranger but know who you are. You know I get colder the more that we fight. You know I go silent instead of replying. You know when I'm distant it mess with your mind. You hate when I move like I'm perfectly fine. Late night, city lights, both of us toxic. You reading no text while you drunk in apartments. Friends telling you leave but you know they ain't honest. You know how I talk when I get in my conscience. You hate when I pull up and act like it's normal, like we wasn't just breaking each other in portions. You say that it's dead every time that we argue, but somehow you back in my arms by the morning. You keep saying you done with me, but you still creeping back to me. Like it's up with me, Soon as I leave, you stuck on me, stuck on me, stuck on me. You know what it is when I call late night, late night. You know you ain't really say goodbye. Still pull me closer, closer. You know the routine when pride get involved. Both of us stubborn, nobody resolve it. You posting subliminals, hoping I called, and acting surprised when I don't acknowledge. I know that you hate how I move when I'm focused. You hate when I stop giving energy toward it. You hate when I start treating love like it's business and start keeping distance instead of emotions. But every time we get space, you relapse. Every time I get going, you react. Every time somebody else in your life, you compare how they move and come right back. I know how you look when you tryna move on. I know how you type when you drinking alone. I know how your friends hype you up in the group, then you still end up calling my phone. Keep saying you doing me,